Good morning, Louise White School. Happy Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed your 3-day weekend. It is January 19th, 2021, and I have several birthdays to announce today. Tyler and Rhett in kindergarten are celebrating their birthday, and so is Lexi in fourth grade. It's also Miss Hanrahan's birthday today, so I hope all of you have a wonderful day today. Enjoy your birthday. Now, last week we had lots of contests that were running, so today I wanted to take the opportunity to kind of get us all caught up, give the answers to all of those, and see who put on their problem solving hats and solve some of those problems. So let's start with the problem of the week. If you remember the problem, we were trying to find the total area of a regulation football field, including the end zones, in square feet. So we started. In order to solve this problem, you really need to know how to solve for area. So area is the length of a rectangle times its width. So in a regulation football field, it is 100 yards long and 160 feet wide. So you might think we just multiply 100 times 160. But remember, I said pay attention to the units because I can't multiply yards and feet because they're different things. A yard and a foot is not the same thing. In fact, a yard is the same as or equals 3 feet. So it's 100 yards long, but that means that we need to multiply that 100 times 3 in order to make it feet. So a football field was 100 yards long, which means it's 300 feet long. So 300 feet times 160 feet equals 48,000 square feet. Then I need to add on the end zone. So an end zone is 10 yards long and 160 feet wide because it's the same width as the football field. So 10 yards times 3 is 30 feet. 30 times 160 equals 4,800. And remember, there's an end zone on each side of the football field, so I need to double that to make 9,600. So to get the total area, I would add 48,000 plus 9,600, which gives me 57,600 square feet. Whew! That was a lot of numbers and a lot of big numbers. So those of you who persevered and went through and solved that, great job. In fact, 4 of us did. So Dylan, Lexi, Isaac, and Eduardo, nice job figuring that out. Got the correct answer. Next, we had the fun Thursday, Throwback Thursday on Friday, where you had to match these current quarterbacks with their pictures of when they were younger. So our first quarterback up there on the left is Josh Allen. Here is Josh when he was younger. See the resemblance? And we have Lamar Jackson. That was the best picture I could find of when he was young. Had the helmet on, so it was harder to tell, but that's Lamar Jackson. You could have solved it through process of elimination. Up in the top, Jared Goff. There is he when he was younger. Same number. Aaron Rodgers. That was him. He played soccer when he was younger. Then we have Tom Brady. Tom Brady playing basketball. It's ironic that Drew Brees' picture was also playing basketball. They played last night. Then we have Baker Mayfield. There's Baker Mayfield. And finally, Patrick Mahomes. So there were 8 quarterbacks to see if you could match those, and we actually had 3 of our students match them all correctly. Good eyes. Holden, Eli, and Joshua. Good problem solving, figuring that out, getting them all matched. And finally, we tested football IQ, seeing who could pick the winners of the 4 games that were played over the weekend. So we had the Green Bay Packers won, the Buffalo Bills, the Kansas City Chiefs, and the Tampa Bay Buccaneers. Now, Zenaida had a perfect score going in. Unfortunately, she did miss one of those. She got 3 out of 4, but we did have several people who got all 4 correct. Mr. Law, Noah, Elena, her dad, and Elena's papa as well, Haley and her dad, Caden's dad, Vivian, Dylan's dad, and Sophia and her dad all got it right. Nice job. And we have next week the championship games will determine the champion of the NFC and the AFC, who will then meet in the Super Bowl. So, lots of great stuff done there. We got it all figured out who did what. So let's rise and join me in the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Have a great day, everybody. Enjoy the rest of your Tuesday, and I'll talk to you again on Wednesday.